Hello everyone, my name is Bob Schkawritka. I'm Manitoba Hydro's Corporate Emergency Response Coordinator. I just was wanting to provide you with some information about emergency kits. Right in front of me I have one of the ultimate emergency kits, and I'll be showing you all of the things that you will need at your home. First and foremost, what you'd want to make sure within your emergency kits are that you have a first aid kit. That should be one of the primary pieces of equipment that you actually have. Extra batteries for your flashlights. We also have within the kits themselves, here is a survival kit that has a flint stick, a flashlight, whistle, compass. We also have rope, an axe, catch-all bag with tape, a knife, scissors, even a small foldable saw, extra food, that food being dry, canned food, and some granola bars. So again, all of this is a basic kit that you would want to be putting together. We've also have a bio stove that can work on wood. If you are going to deploy, it should be outside, not inside your home. The bio stove can also produce electricity, so you can charge your iPhones, and also it has a light feature with it. Water purification kit, camping equipment, which can be used to cook your food. Now, this might be a little bit funny, but we all have to go, so make sure you have some toilet paper. A propane stove, candles. Just in regards to the kit itself, you want to make sure that it's in a watertight bag. Put a bag together, make it an exercise for your kids or yourselves. Make sure that it's deployed someplace in the house that everybody knows where it is in case you have to evacuate. This at least will give you a couple of days supply of food and also the ability to shelter in your own home if there is an extended power outage.